Are you tired of suffering from persistent coughs and annoying colds? Do you feel like you're constantly reaching for over-the-counter medications that only provide temporary relief? Well, there's good news. Look no further than your kitchen or garden for natural herbal remedies that can provide relief and support your body's natural healing abilities. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective herbal remedies that can help you breathe easier, soothe your throat, and boost your immune system. We'll delve into each herb's unique properties, exploring the science behind their effectiveness, and providing practical tips on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. So, if you're ready to ditch the drugs and embrace the healing power of nature, keep watching. Let's kick things off with a spice that needs no introduction: ginger. This unassuming root packs a powerful punch when it comes to fighting colds and coughs. What makes ginger so special? It's loaded with compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. These compounds work their magic by inhibiting the replication of cold viruses, preventing them from multiplying and wreaking havoc in your body. Ginger is also a natural decongestant, helping to break up mucus and clear your airways. A steaming cup of ginger tea is an excellent way to enjoy its benefits. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root into a cup of hot water. Let it steep for a few minutes and enjoy. You can add a squeeze of lemon and a touch of honey for an extra boost of flavor and soothing power. Remember, ginger is generally safe for most people, but if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult with your doctor before adding it to your diet. Next up, we have another potent spice that can turn your body into a fortress against coughs and colds: turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which boasts a wide range of health benefits, including potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When it comes to fighting colds and coughs, curcumin works its magic by reducing inflammation in the airways, which can help alleviate congestion and make breathing easier. Adding turmeric to your diet is easier than you might think. Turmeric can be added to curries, soups, stews, and even smoothies. However, it's important to note that turmeric is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. To enhance its absorption, consume it with black pepper, or look for supplements that contain piperine, a compound found in black pepper that increases curcumin's bioavailability. Enjoy the benefits of turmeric and give your immune system an extra boost. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and distinctive flavor, is a natural antibiotic that can help fight off infections. It contains allicin, responsible for its potent antimicrobial effects. Allicin inhibits the growth of harmful microbes. Garlic also acts as a natural decongestant, helping to clear your airways. Adding garlic to your cooking enhances flavor and provides health benefits. Roast it with vegetables, sauté it with greens, or add it to soups and stews. If you're brave, try consuming a clove of raw garlic. For sensitive stomachs, stick to cooked garlic or supplements. Honey, nature's golden nectar, has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Its sweet taste and soothing texture make it a popular choice for alleviating coughs and sore throats, and science backs up its traditional use. Honey is a natural cough suppressant, effectively reducing cough frequency and severity. It works by coating and soothing irritated throat tissues, providing relief from the scratchy, tickly sensation that often accompanies a cough. Honey also possesses antioxidant and antimicrobial properties thanks to its rich enzyme content. The best way to enjoy the soothing benefits of honey is to add it to a warm beverage like herbal tea or warm water with lemon. However, it's important to note that honey should never be given to infants under 1 year of age due to the risk of infant botulism. Always choose raw, unprocessed honey whenever possible to reap its full nutritional and medicinal benefits. Elderberry, with its deep purple berries, has gained significant popularity in recent years as a natural remedy for colds and flu. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants and have been shown to possess potent antiviral properties, making them a formidable opponent against those pesky viruses. Elderberry's antiviral effects are attributed to its high concentration of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect our cells from damage. Studies have shown that elderberry extract can significantly reduce the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms, helping you bounce back to health faster. Elderberry is available in various forms, including syrups, capsules, lozenges, and teas. Elderberry syrup is a popular choice, especially for children, as it's tasty and easy to take. While elderberry is generally safe for most people, it's essential to consume it in its cooked form, as raw elderberries can cause nausea and vomiting. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult with your doctor before adding elderberry to your diet. Echinacea, a flowering plant native to North America, has a long history of use in traditional medicine for its immune-boosting properties. Echinacea contains a complex array of active compounds including alkamides, caffeic acid derivatives, and polysaccharides, which work synergistically to support our immune system. These compounds stimulate the activity of various immune cells, including white blood cells, which are our body's first line of defense against infections. By enhancing the activity of these immune cells, Echinacea helps our bodies fight off invading pathogens more effectively, reducing the likelihood of getting sick in the first place. Echinacea is available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, extracts, and teas. When choosing an Echinacea supplement, look for one that contains the whole plant extract, as this provides the full spectrum of beneficial compounds. While Echinacea is generally safe for most people, it's not recommended for long-term use. It's best to take Echinacea at the first sign of a cold or flu, and discontinue use once your symptoms have subsided. As always, if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult with your doctor before taking Echinacea. Licorice root, the sweet-tasting root of the licorice plant, has been a popular remedy for coughs and sore throats for centuries. It contains glycyrrhizin, responsible for its sweetness and potent anti-inflammatory effects. Glycyrrhizin inhibits virus replication, preventing their spread. Licorice root also acts as an expectorant, loosening mucus in the airways. Licorice tea can alleviate coughs and sore throats. Steep a teaspoon of dried licorice root in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Licorice lozenges provide direct relief for sore throats. Opt for deglycyrrhizinated licorice, DGL, to avoid potential side effects. Consult your doctor before adding licorice root to your diet. Enjoy the soothing benefits of licorice root and breathe easier. Peppermint, with its refreshing aroma and invigorating flavor, is a popular choice for adding a burst of flavor to everything from toothpaste to chewing gum. Peppermint contains menthol, a natural compound that provides a cooling sensation and acts as a decongestant. Menthol activates cold receptors, creating a sensation of coolness and opening up the airways. This can provide relief from nasal congestion and make breathing easier. Peppermint tea is soothing and can help clear congestion and soothe a sore throat. Peppermint oil in aromatherapy can also relieve congestion. Enjoy the cooling and soothing benefits of peppermint. Thyme, a small but mighty herb with a distinct aroma and flavor, has been a culinary staple for centuries. Thyme contains thymol, a natural compound with antiseptic and expectorant properties. Thymol works by inhibiting the growth of bacteria and viruses, helping to fight off infections. It also helps to thin mucus and make it easier to cough up, providing relief from congestion. Thyme tea is a soothing and effective remedy that can help to clear congestion and soothe a sore throat. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, and enjoy. You can also use thyme essential oil in aromatherapy to help relieve congestion. Simply add a few drops of thyme oil to a diffuser or a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. However, it's important to note that thyme oil should not be used directly on the skin, as it can cause irritation. Enjoy the benefits of thyme and breathe easier. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult with your doctor before using thyme. Marshmallow root, derived from the marshmallow plant, might conjure up images of fluffy, sugary treats, but this herb offers much more than just a sweet indulgence. It has a long history of use as a medicinal plant, particularly for its soothing properties on irritated tissues, making it a valuable ally in the fight against coughs and sore throats. The magic of marshmallow root lies in its mucilage content, a sticky substance that forms a protective layer over mucous membranes, soothing irritation and inflammation. Marshmallow tea is a popular choice, especially for children, as it's naturally sweet and caffeine-free. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried marshmallow root in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy. Marshmallow root is also available in lozenge form, which can provide direct relief for sore throats. When choosing marshmallow root products, opt for organic varieties whenever possible to avoid exposure to pesticides and herbicides. Enjoy the soothing benefits of marshmallow root and feel the relief. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult with your doctor before using marshmallow root. There you have it, 10 powerful herbal allies to help you combat coughs and colds naturally. Remember, these natural remedies work best when incorporated into a holistic approach to health, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. For more information on herbal remedies and natural health, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Stay healthy, stay natural. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.